Wow, I don't know my people still love me. I couldn't imagine them giving me the contribution money to hold for them. I think God is by my side. I'm progressing. I'm progressing. And I promise that I'm gonna double the fucking money for them. I'll triple it. I'll triple it. When it's time to give the money out, I'll triple it. I love them. I love my people. Hmm. Mazi Okoro. This one that the whole village gave you this contribution money to her, I have not thought of what to do with it. Hope all is well.
She what?
I think they used juju on me. But I know what to do. First of all, I will do juju for them.
How do we hear of this?
After I do juju for them, they'll not remember if they gave me any money to hold. Then, after that, ha ha ha, ha. After that, I'll not think if I should use the money to buy cola nut and palm wine, or buy Christmas goods and keep it. Because by